In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record overseas transaction payments in Zoho Books. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can seamlessly manage your international transactions. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Sales module within your Zoho Books dashboard. Once you're there, go ahead and select Invoices. This is where you'll find all the invoices you've issued, both paid and unpaid, giving you a comprehensive view of your sales transactions. Next, you'll need to choose the specific invoice for which you want to record the payment. It's important to be precise here to ensure that you're matching the payment to the correct transaction. Click on the invoice related to the overseas transaction. Now that you're in the correct invoice, look for the Record Payment button and click on it. This action will open a payment entry form where you can input various details about the payment you've received. In this form, enter the amount received in the customer's currency. This step is crucial because it acknowledges the payment in the same currency that the transaction was initially conducted. Be precise with the amount to ensure your financial records are accurate. This detail will be significant when it comes to reconciling your bank statements and keeping your accounting precise. The following step involves selecting the bank or credit card account where the payment was received. If you have a foreign currency bank account, this is a great opportunity to use it, as it allows you to accurately keep track of the transaction in its original currency. This is particularly helpful for avoiding any unnecessary conversion fees and maintaining clarity in your financial reports. After selecting the appropriate account, you'll also need to confirm the payment date along with other details. Double-checking the payment date is essential to accurately reflect the timing of this transaction in your records. Incorrect dates can lead to discrepancies in your financial reporting, so take a moment to ensure everything matches up with the payment you received. Once you've entered all the necessary information, the final step is to click Save. By doing so, you solidify the entry of this overseas payment into your financial records, ensuring that your invoices accurately reflect your received income. This confirmation is important as it updates your books, allowing you to maintain an up-to-date view of your financial landscape. And there you have it, a simple yet systematic approach to recording overseas transaction payments in Zoho Books. This process not only ensures that your accounting is accurate and comprehensive, but also helps you maintain a clear view of your international transactions. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it aids you in managing your financial records more effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more insightful tutorials.